Do you want to become a better reader? Reading is a powerful tool, and its impact can be magnified with the right visual aids. Our aim today is to introduce 10 visuals that can significantly enhance your reading skills. Stay tuned as we dive into the first of these powerful visuals. First up, we have infographics. These clever visuals are a reader's best friend, simplifying complex information into easy-to-digest formats. They make reading a joy, enhancing your comprehension and memory recall. Next time you read, consider integrating infographics into your routine. Moving on to mind maps. These clever diagrams help you grasp the relationships and hierarchies within a text. By visually organizing information, they transform complex ideas into a digestible format, boosting your recall. Give mind maps a try and see the difference they make. Third is flowcharts. These handy visuals are perfect for tracing the sequence and process within a text. They work like magic, helping you understand complex ideas and memorize intricate details with ease. Flowcharts can truly streamline your reading process. Fourth on our list are timelines. Imagine reading a complex novel spanning decades. A timeline can help you trace the chronological sequence of events, giving you a clearer understanding of the storyline. Timelines can anchor your reading in time, making comprehension a breeze. Halfway through, we have diagrams. These nifty tools can take dense, intricate ideas and simplify them into easy-to-digest visuals. Think of diagrams as a translator, changing complex language into a picture that your brain can more comfortably grasp. Remember, diagrams are your friends when it comes to complex concepts. Next up, we have graphs. Graphs can be an absolute game changer when it comes to comprehending data-intensive texts. They take complex information and turn it into visually digestible chunks, making patterns and trends easier to see. Graphs can transform your understanding of data-heavy texts. Seventh on our list are illustrations. They're more than just pretty pictures. Illustrations breathe life into text, making it engaging, captivating, and downright unforgettable. They help paint mental images, ensuring the story sticks. Illustrations can add a touch of magic to your reading. Eighth, we have annotated texts. These are texts with extra notes or explanations added, often in the margins. By providing additional information and context, they enhance our understanding, deepening our connection with the material. Annotated texts can be a goldmine of insights. Ninth on our list, we have symbols and icons. These versatile visuals pack a punch, delivering heaps of information in a single glance. Think of them as shorthand for your brain, accelerating your understanding and making reading a breeze. Symbols and icons can be powerful tools for swift comprehension. Last but not least, we have highlighted texts. Highlighting is a vivid way to draw your attention to key points in a text, serving as a beacon in your memory's sea. It aids in recall and comprehension, making your reading more effective, so don't forget your highlighter next time you read. And there you have it, 10 visuals to enhance your reading. Infographics, mind maps, flowcharts, timelines, diagrams, graphs, illustrations, annotated texts, symbols, and highlighted texts, each offering unique ways to enrich your reading experience. Remember, the key to becoming a better reader is to keep exploring and experimenting. Happy reading!